Grease green, sky blue. Weather a bit cloudy, but okay. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Look, a bird. What a beautiful bird. Come here and see. The world is beautiful. Why don't you see, Liam? See! 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 Do you remember?
How much for this one, man?
This one? This one's very strong for you, man. Let me tell you.
I can handle strong.
That's not like you, bro. This one's not for you.
I need this.
Bro, we never talk like this. I'm like your buddy, man. You're not my customer. This is not for you.
Whoa, what are you? Are you my fucking therapist? Just take the cash, give me the drugs, get on your way, man. That's it.
Alright, man. Just fucking take it, and I don't care anymore. Just take it and move on, then.
Do you feel it? Do you feel your body burning? You need my help? You don't need my help, do you? You're the strongest, aren't you? What's wrong, Liam? Still don't need my help? Look, another bird.